worldwide, maayong adlaw Mindanao, konnichiwa Nippon. I'm gonna show you what is dorayaki. Dorayaki is Japanese sweet filled pancakes, a traditional Japanese confection. Dorayaki is made of two hand-sized American-style pancakes, sandwiched together with a filling, the most of which is ASUKI RED BEANS or ANKO. However, nowadays, custard, cheesenuts or kuri, and cream, matcha cream, and so many more is popular flavors right now. Dorayaki is a much loved favorite among both children and adults here in Japan. Dorayaki may be perfect for people who never had any traditional Japanese sweet because it doesn't have unusual ingredients. Yes, when tasting dorayaki for the first time, you might think it's similar to pancakes with whipped cream. It's just delicious. The soft, moist and fluffy pancakes with sweet red bean filling goes perfectly with a warm and slightly bitter Japanese green tea. Yes, enjoy this dorayaki as on-the-go treat or as a lunchtime dessert. Yes, let's jump up to Bisaya version. Mauni siya ang this is one of my favorite, a Japanese dorayaki, which is kabalo siguro mo sa anyone knows Doraemon na yung mga pambata na palabas. So dorayaki and Doraemon, which is naada na sila story. So kani siya mura ni siya sa tuwa ka ng batong ba nga gidugmok nila, mura gilubok kana siya na ang sulod na plum, kani plum ni siya ang sulod, medyo aslom na hindi mo maintindihan but lamig gyapon siya. So ang kana siya kuri kanang sa katuigan ana sa tuwa katong murag nangka nga gagmay ba nga makaon ang sulod ima atong panitan sa una nga anong pamuluto na namo gikan migsul kanang maglakaw na mi sa bukid. And then, mao ni siya ang popular kaning ilahang red bean peeling goes perfectly. Mura ra ni siya sa tuwa og budbud og singana ni sikwate. Kung kailangan kung naay budbud, naay sikwate, pareha ra ni sila. Kung naay dorayaki, naapoy better green tea kanang pait-pait ba kay mao na sila kanang partner sa krimen. Pero medyo dili ni siya recommended sa mga nag-diet kay for gini siya nga katamis, and for the first time murag di ka ganahan kay murag wala ka kasabot, but kung maanad na ka lami siya. So daghang salamat sa inyong pagtan-aw, and dinhi na lang kukutob until next upload. Thank you for watching, and please, if you want this video, please give me a like and share and comment or subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Daghan kayong salamat and arigatou gozaimashita. Ciao. Have a nice day to everyone.